takeoff flaps. Motor on. Timer start, timer stop, timer start.
Windy right now, folks. Okay, we're gonna get flying slow and close and low. That's our first deal, and in remaining in
Timer start.
half flaps. Yeah, it's pretty slow, and that's only half flaps. My theory is I don't want to use full flaps when I'm landing in real thick grass. Too much lift, not enough forward momentum. Stay below the sun. There we go. Here we try our first landing. Ready? Yeah, we try our first landing. A lot of wind too.
Timer stop.
Okay. Oh, shoot, we got a nose over at the end. It's all right. Throttle cut on.
Throttle
All right.
cut on.
That's why we're practicing with the Maule. If I had left the throttle on, I would have been good. So let's do it again. Yes, bush flying, rather bush landing practice session number 2 with, this time with the Maule. All right, so let's turn her around like this. All right, get her up in the air. Throttle stick is off, throttle cut is off.
On.
There we go, try it again, same stuff.
Timer stop.
Half flaps.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Okay, that's a good lift off, we like it. Once I take off, I get back in my landing position and do the whole flight from my landing position. Does that make sense? Okay, we're trying to have the landing, folks. The landing, here we go, folks.
Timer stop.
Oh shit! I'm sorry about the language. Again, at the last 5% of the landing, throttle cut on,
Throttle cut.
I let off my throttle and maybe my elevator too, and that was a bad idea. All right, here we go.
Motor on.
Try it again.
Timer start.
Here we're banking left, adding rudder, and we're descending at the same time.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Timer
we're
stop.
descending big time.
Timer start.
Oh, no good! Throttle cut on!
Throttle cut on.
Oh, folks, I'm having fun flying poorly. The wind is interesting. Let's just put it that way. The wind's interesting. So to keep more throttle on, that was kind of a drop and plop, which is not really what I want. For the long grass landing, I need to have my momentum. I need to maintain my momentum. All right, here we go. Throttle cut off.
Motor on.
Here we go.
Timer start.
Down, below the sun. That's it. Now let's do some close passes. No, we won't. We'll just do another landing. Here we go. Here we are. throttle cut on.
Throttle
Oh, challenging, folks. Still nose over even with the prop. Full up elevator. Now I gotta confess, I'm flying in safe right now because there's a fair amount of wind and it's gusty. But I think we'll get out of safe and see if we do better with that, and I think we will. Just bring the airplane back. All right. I think we'll do better with that. All right, so we're out of safe. We're in experience mode.
low rates.
Low rates. See what that does for us. We need high rates. Now I got high rates elevator even when I'm in low rates on everything else. So we'll just stay like we got. Here we go.
Timer start.
Actually,
Timer stop.
There we
Motor
go.
on.
Here we go. Here we go.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start.
Ah, nose over again! Whoa! Challenging. Geez, I only have 41 seconds left and I have not done a single good landing. Not one. Dang it. These shits. Alright, throttle cut on. Let's see if we got it ready. We'll stay like this for a second. Alright folks, new plan. My thinking right now is that there's too much wind for any flaps. Throttle cut on, yeah. Too much wind for any flaps. So we're going to go ahead and try a takeoff and landing without flaps. And I bet we're going to have better results. Let's find out. Alright, so flaps off.
Flap position. Flaps up.
High rates, experience mode. Alright, here we go. Throttle cut off.
Motor on.
Here we go. Let's straighten out this bird a little bit here. Don't quite ever set up right there. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Got to get one good landing, folks.
Timer start. Timer stop.
Okay.
Throttle
She's
cut
hung up in a hole. There's many holes between the grasses. Grass tufts.
Motor on. Timer start. 30 seconds.
This is our last landing attempt that we get to have, folks. Wind's picking up a lot too. Banking left. Makes it turning. Left.
Timer stop.
Decrease altitude. Bank.
Timer start. 10.
Last one.
9. Timer stop.
Last one.
Timer start. 8. Timer stop. Timer start. 7. 6. Timer stop.
Oh, damn it! Folks, I'll tell you what, I still nosed over. I'm going to do one more takeoff and landing, that's it. I still nosed over, but it was much less. And if I'd had kept on more throttle at the very end, as she went to a stop, I think it would have been good. So I think I really solved the main problem with my getting nose over landings on this particular grass. Is that, and don't use flaps. That's my solution. Here we go. High rates, experience mode, no flaps. Last one.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, now we're going to land after this. Folks, we'll land after this. We're going just about full throttle because of the wind. Yes, we are. Banking left. Banking left. Left. All right. All right. Blended turn left. Throttle up. It's our last one, folks. Into the wind. No flaps. Bring her in. Bring her in safe and sound. Safe and juicy. Here she comes, folks.
Timer stop.
Okay. Well, folks, what did I learn on this flight?
Throttle cut.
Jeez. I'm not going to run the plane anymore. That's one thing. What I learned on this flight is I think I might have to move my battery back a little bit. I think that's exactly what it is, because on my Carbon Cub S2, which I did this same process with yesterday, practicing long, thick grass takeoffs and landings. So on that one, after the first flight, I had to move my battery back. Then she was fine, so I'm going to do the same thing on this one here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Hope to see you soon. Signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.